Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on your POCO X6 Pro, and also I will show you how to enable this fingerprint sensor animation. So that's very interesting feature. So when you will unlock your device with your fingerprint, you will have an animation on it. So let's do it. We're going to go to the settings and we're going to scroll a little bit down to the fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. And here we're gonna tap on fingerprint unlock and to the pattern. We're gonna wait a little bit. Got it. So now we're gonna create a password pattern. And now we're gonna do it again. Confirm. Scan our fingerprint. So, and now we're gonna need to scroll a little bit down to the fingerprint animation. And here you have 4 options. Okay, 5 was none. So when you will unlock your screen with your fingerprint, you will have this animation. I really like this butterfly, so I will stick with this. So you don't need to confirm anything. You can just simply press on this arrow or go back by using the second icon on the bar notification. So now we're gonna see and unlock our device. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to learn more about POCO X6 Pro, subscribe to my channel.